So let me start off by showing you a couple of paying image sites. Now you might think, why would I even want to pay for images? And you don't necessarily have to. I'm going to show you some free sites very soon. But one of the major things about images are royalties. Okay, many of the images that you'll simply find on the internet are not royalty free. In other words, they belong to somebody else, and if you were to use them, you may be breaching copyright, or you may need to pay them for usage. Okay, but by coming on these paying sites, you don't have any of those problems. That's the first thing. And secondly, you'll have very, very high quality images. So for about, let's say, $50, something like that, you might be able to get 4 or 5 images. So let's say $10 an image as a kind of rule of thumb, but it will be an excellent image. It'll be your own image, and you can use it as you want for as long as you want. So this first one here I'm showing you is iStock Photo. And there's another one over here which is Shutterstock. Okay, two massive sites. There are others. These are the ones that I typically come to if I'm looking to buy images for my sites. Now I would also say that in the beginning, I know that a lot of people are on a budget. For example, in the beginning you really don't necessarily have to focus on paying for your images. I would almost encourage you to go down the free route, and when your business is up and running and thriving, then perhaps come back and get some paying images if it feels like the appropriate thing to do. So that's a couple of paying sites. Now the next lecture is in fact just a list of several sites where you can go to get completely free, royalty-free images. So you're absolutely allowed to use them. But before you delve into that big list, I do just want to show you something on Google. All right? So on Google, for example, if you just go to fitness, in my example, and do a search and click on images, then all kinds of images come up. Okay. Now, as I was saying before, some of these, or many of them, might not be royalty free. You can't just go along and collect any of these images as you want. Yeah, you're running a certain risk if you do that. But the good news is, if you go into settings and go to advanced search and scroll down a bit, you'll see here we have usage rights, and if you select to free to use or share even commercially, okay, then basically I could click on that and now click on advanced search, and all these images now I can use on my site worry-free. Okay, these are all free for me to use. Okay, so Google already is a fantastic start, but in the next lecture you've got a very comprehensive list of free image sites which you can browse at your leisure. So enjoy those, and I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to start adding the image that I've chosen onto my homepage.